One of the tips I'd have for newer agents who are just starting out is to really immerse yourself in education. That's going to be the most important thing as you're building your business. Another thing I'd recommend is to get involved in the community. Go to networking meetings, meet other people, really establish relationships with other people because they want to help bring you up. It can be a difficult industry, so we have to do it together.
I would love to share a marketing tip when you're presenting your listings in person at our marketing group. We all can see, obviously, the images that are shown on the backdrop from the MLS. However, as far as the surrounding areas, local parks, and school districts, we may not be aware of. So please feel free to share that information while presenting your listing. Thank you guys so much.
Good morning. Here's our quick marketing tip from Joe and Leah. I really believe in community. So get out, support your community. If that's the one way that you're really going to reach out to them.
And show up and get involved with your local networks and affiliate groups and be present and volunteer, and you will get lots of rewards from that.
And I'd like to give you a few tips about what it takes to make it in this business. It's most important that you connect with people. We all got in this business so that we could be with people and make a difference for people. So I encourage you to get out there every day and make those connections. Most importantly, take time to network with the right people. Take the time to take the time. Thanks so much.
Hey guys, so one of the funnest ways to get people into your open houses for Broker Tour is either serve food or get lotto tickets. A super lotto ticket is $1. Spend 20 bucks, get 20 of them. Hopefully you get 20 people through your open house, and if you don't, you have 20 chances to win $1 million or more. So that's one of my fun tips for getting a lot of traffic through your open house. Make it a great day.
Bay East offers 5 different marketing meetings Tuesday through Friday. Visit our website, bayeast.org/marketing-groups to find the nearest meeting to you or branch out and try a new one. See you there.